If you're searching for some dope Asian fonts and you don't know where to find them, I assembled a quick video with a couple of Asian fonts, so let's get started. The first one is the Noto Sans Japanese. This is a free Google font you can download, and as you can see, it just looks great. This is a full font starting from thin all the way to black here. Here you can see some type samples as well. These are Japanese. But now I gotta go and type in something in Chinese traditional, and as you can see, it works. Now Chinese is way more detailed, they got way more elements in the symbols, and that way with bold fonts is a little bit more difficult to work with. Alright, let's go on. We got an Adobe Font, Font Matisse Pro N, I don't know how to pronounce it. So basically this is the alternative of sans fonts. This is like a classic calligraphic Asian typo, which basically has contrast the same as serif fonts. What that means is basically you got thin lines and thick lines at the same time, and the sans serif fonts don't have this contrast. Okay, so next we got Zen Maru Gothic, and this one is curved, but it looks so beautiful, it's unbelievable. Now this curvy style just works so good with Asian typo. It has the Chinese and Japanese alternative as well. And there's like another one which is also curvy and looks really good. By the way, I found this on an Asian website, but it is with .com, but everything is written with Asian. So if you want to navigate on these type of sites, you can go up here at the corner and just change it to English from Japanese. And this one again is cartoony looking. I remember I used to watch Asian cartoons and they all were written with these dope rounded typos. By the way, this font is hard to access in the software, so this is how it looks. And it's called the Humor font. But let's say if you type in something and you search for the font Humor, it's not there. So in that situation, if you don't know where they are, you can double click on the font and open it up, and here you can see the font name. So basically it is Asian written, and this is how you need to search for it. I'm gonna copy paste this, Control C, and I'm gonna select the font, Control V, but even this way it won't find it. So I'm gonna delete the last symbols in here until it is gonna pop up. So there you go. As you can see, with normal letters it's not that fun, but with Asian typo it's really exciting. This next one is from the same website, and as you can see, this one is like really straight and it is also edgy at the same time. So basically it has these spikes in them. And this is present in the Asian calligraphy, and in this case had been simplified and modernized, and it has a totally different feel to it. Okay, next we got the De La Gothic 1. This is the font, by the way, that I use for my designs, and it looks really thick and it looks really good. This is only one type variation, the regular 400, but I think it looks really dope. Then I also included the Hiragino Kaku Gothic Pro N. Again, another simple font. It has two weights to it and it's really simple. So these were the small collection of Japanese and Chinese fonts I wanted to share with you. So I gotta leave a link in the description to download them and feel free to use them. Thanks for watching.